एमजीएम स्कूल ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स सहित रवि शास्त्री कोचिंग बियॉन्ड क्रिकेट एकाडेमी एक चुक्तिनामा स्वाक्षरित करछंती। वर्तमान ओडिशा स्पोर्ट्स हब रे परिणत होइतबा बेले एही राजीनामा फल खासकर क्रिकेट रे राज्यरू अनेक प्रतिभा संपन्न खेलाड़ी बाहरिबे। एहाको नजरे रखी भुवनेश्वर ठारू 30 किलोमीटर दूर रे कटक सहर रे एमजीएम स्कूल स्पोर्ट्स रो क्रिकेट एकाडेमी रहिछि। राज्य सरकार को सहयोग रहितबा बेले ओडिशा क्रिकेट एसोसिएशन रो विश्वास रहिछि एही एकाडेमी रो आगामी दिन रे बहु प्रतिभा संपन्न खेलाड़ी माने बाहरिबे।
Yes, that there's more awareness, the opportunities are there, and there's no reason why a person from any part of India can make it to the Indian cricket team. I think the question you're asking, the best way to answer it, there was lack of facilities at that time. But with infrastructures like what is going to be provided here in this state in the coming months, it will give an opportunity for hundreds of young kids who never even dreamt of an opportunity like that to further their skills, and then if they're good, they're good. But that's our ambition, to see someone from our academies going on to play for the state, maybe IPL teams, and of course the country. That will be the ultimate goal.
भुवनेश्वर कैमरामैन विष्णु प्रीति महांती को रिपोर्ट लिव लाइव ओडिया।